So, subtraction of integers. How do we subtract integers? First, we rewrite the addition sentence and apply the rules in adding integers. Examples. 5 minus 4. So, obviously, alam natin ang sagot dito ay 1. But if we rewrite it to addition sentence, this can be 5 plus negative 4. They have different signs, positive and negative. So kapag nag-add tayo ng magkaibang signs, we subtract and copy the sign of the number with the bigger absolute value. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Ang magiging sign ng ating difference ay positive since ang number na may mas mataas na absolute value ay si 5. Ang sign niya ay positive. So the answer is positive 1. Number 2, 3 minus 9. It can be written as 3 plus negative 9. Magkaiba yung sign, so we subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. Ang number na may mas malaking absolute value ay si negative 9. So we copy the negative symbol here. The answer is negative 6. Number 3, negative 11. Negative 1 minus 11. So it can be written as negative 1 plus negative 11. So they have the same signs. Ang ginagawa kapag pareho yung signs, in addition, ina-add natin silang dalawa and then we just copy the sign. So 1 plus 11 is 12. We just affix the negative symbol. So the answer is negative 12. Negative 7 minus 3. So in addition sentence, this can be written as negative 7 plus negative 3. Magkaiba yung signs. I mean, they have the same signs. So we add and copy the sign. So 7 plus 3 is 10. We affix the negative symbol. So the answer is negative 10. Number 5, negative 9 minus negative 2. So kapag may dalawang negative symbols na magkatabi, separated by a parenthesis, an open parenthesis, we transform it to positive. Okay, so this can be written as negative 9 plus positive 2. So bakit naging positive na siya? Kasi understood na negative times negative is positive. So yung dalawang negative symbol na magkatabi, we can disregard them. We can replace them with an addition symbol. So negative 9 plus 2. Since magkaiba sila ng signs, we subtract. So 9 minus 2 is 7. The answer is negative 7 since yung number na may mas malaking absolute value ay negative 9. Kinopya natin yung symbol niya and then inaffix natin siya doon sa answer. So negative 7. Number 6, negative 4 minus negative 8. Again, may dalawang negative symbols na magkatabi separated by an open parenthesis. So we can disregard this. We can replace it using positive or addition symbol. So negative 4 plus 8. Magkaiba yung signs, we subtract. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And then yung number na may mas malaking absolute value ay si positive 8. So we just copy the symbol. The answer is positive 4. Number 7, 12 minus negative 10. So again, may dalawang negative symbols na magkatabi separated by an open parenthesis. So pwede natin gawin itong positive or plus. So 12 plus 10, obviously it's positive 22. And last example, 13 minus negative 2. May dalawang negative symbols na magkatabi separated by an open parenthesis. It can be written as 13 plus 2. And then obviously 13 plus 2 is positive 15.